Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you how to use AI to filter the bio of your leads to get your ideal target audience as opposed to using keywords. This method is ideal in scenarios where using keywords alone won't get you enough leads. For example, if you are trying to get all business owners from an influencer's scraped followers' leads, there's not enough keywords to filter out all business owners following a particular influencer, because there are various types of businesses. This is the type of scenario where using AI for filtering users' bio to get your ideal target audience is used. Let's get into how to do this using Twitter Outreach Extension. Since the final aim of using AI to analyze users' bio is to message qualified users, it's only ideal that we ensure all profiles' bio to be analyzed with AI have their DMs opened. To ensure this, locate and click the Filter Leads option on the menu options. Locate and click the green-colored Non-AI filtering method from the method options available. Click Create Non-AI Filtering New Filter button. Click Choose File button to load your scraped CSV file for filtering. Load your CSV file. Now, you have filtered out all profiles who have their DMs closed. The filtered leads available for download now are profiles who all have their DMs opened, because the toggle for excluding users who have their DMs closed is on click the green Download Leads button to download the filtered leads. Now you have the filtered leads with every profile having their DMs opened. Click Go Back button. Click Go Back button again to get to the filtering methods selection section. Since we are trying to analyze users' bio to determine if they are your ideal target audience or not based on some set of instructions given to AI, it's only ideal that we remove all users with empty bios, as they will be of no use in this analysis. To do this, click Remove Already Messaged button. Click Create Remove Already Messaged New Filter button. If you have an existing campaign you want to remove already messaged users from, you can select the campaign here. This will remove already messaged users in the campaign and all users with empty bio. But I am only trying to filter out empty bios in this tutorial. For this, select Current Campaign option here to ensure all users with empty bios are filtered out when you load your file for cleaning. Switch the Filter Out Empty Bios toggle on. Click Choose File button to load your filtered leads file. Load your filtered leads file. Now, all the profiles with empty bios have been removed. You can confirm this by looking at the difference in the number of loaded files and the number of leads available for download in the green Download Filtered Leads button. Click the Download Filtered Leads button to download the cleaned file for profiles who have something written on their bio. Now, you have your cleaned leads all have something written on their bio. From my file here, I have over 3,000 leads which I want to analyze their bio with Grok AI to see if they are my ideal target audience or not. Please note that you must have an X Premium account to use Grok AI for this analysis. It won't work if you are a free X account user. Before we load this 3,000 plus files into Grok for analysis, we have a little challenge here. And it is that Grok for subscribed premium users has a character limit of about 10,000. We are sure each of these 3,000 profiles have something written on their bios. Let's say each profile bio on average has 50 characters. 3,000 multiplied by 50 is 150,000 characters. You can see this is way past the limit of 10,000 characters. That means Grok wouldn't be able to analyze all these profile bio at once because it would have reached its character limit and cut off the full analysis. The solution to this challenge is to split the cleaned leads into batches of 400 profiles that Groq can handle and analyze effectively at once. You can split the leads into batches of 400s by using the Trim Leads method within the extension. Click the yellow Go Back button. Click the yellow Go Back button again to get to the Filtering Methods selection section. Locate and click the Trim Leads method. Click Create Trim Leads New Filter button. Input the number of leads you want to be in each batch, both in the Trim to Row Number input field and Divide by Parts input field. I'm inputting 400 in this tutorial. Note, always input these numbers before loading your file for the trimming process to work. Click the Choose File button to select a file to load for trimming into batches. Load the cleaned file and wait for the trimming process to start. First batch of 0 to 400 has been trimmed out. Second batch of 400 to 800 has been trimmed out. Third batch of 800 to 1200 has been trimmed out. This process is going to continue till there's no available batch to trim. Once the Trim to Row Number input value is greater than the number of leads loaded, that means the trimming into batches process is done. Click the yellow Go Back button. Click the yellow Go Back button again to get to the Filtering Method selection section. You can now load each of the batches of 400 profiles and analyze each profile bio to see if they are your ideal target audience with Groq AI. To analyze with Groq, you need to get the prompt. That will be pasted to Groq to help you analyze each profile bio and determine if they are your ideal target audience or not. Here's what the prompt is going to look like. You will get this from our team. To do this, locate and click the Contact Support menu option on the left side of the extension. Type in your request in this format. Help me with Groq AI analysis script or prompt, followed by what your ideal target audience looks like. Example can be, my target audience are business owners who live in Europe. Click the Submit button to submit your request. Our team will get back to you with the requested prompt that will help you analyze your ideal target audience with Groq AI. You will get the prompt in your registered email address after some minutes of making your request. Do check your email. After getting your AI prompt for analysis from our team, go to your X account. Locate and click Groq from the menu options. Copy and paste the AI prompt for analysis, which was sent to your email by our team. Click the button for loading files on Groq to select and load the first batch that was splitted 0 to 400. Click the Send button to start the bioanalysis of each profile to see if they are your ideal target audience. The bioanalysis of all the profiles will take about 5-10 minutes. You can leave the page and go do something else while the bioanalysis of each profile goes on. You will notice this play-like icon showing here. This means analysis is ongoing. If it changes to upwards arrow, that means the analysis is complete. After about 5 minutes, it's complete here. Now, to download this as CSV file, by your right side on Groq, locate this small button named BYVC. If you can't find this button, reload your current page. It should show after reloading the page. Click the BYVC button to download the text output as CSV. You can confirm if the bio of users in the downloaded file match your ideal target audience by checking the downloaded file. Open the file, go through each description. It's correct here, as they are all business owners, which was my prompt. You want to repeat this process for the other batches, 400 to 800 now. Click the Edit icon on the Groq prompt input field. Copy the current prompt. Click the New Chat button to start the analysis on a new page entirely. Paste the copied prompt for analyzing profiles bio in the input field. Load the next batch, CSV file. In my case, it's 400 to 800 batch. Click Send to start the bioanalysis of each profile. wait for the analysis to be completed. Now, to download this as CSV file, by your right side on Grok, locate this small button named BYVC. If you can't find this button, reload your current page. It should show after reloading the page. Locate and click the BYVC button to download the text output as CSV. Now you have 2 batches of AI analyzed user's bio. Repeat this process for all the other batches you have, if you have more than 2. You can either load each batch of this AI analyzed user's file, one after the other, for messaging, or combine all the batches into one single file and load once for messaging. I will go with the second option of combining the files into one file in this tutorial because it makes things easier long term. To combine the files, you will need to use the Join Leads feature within the extension. Navigate to the extension page. Locate and click the Filter Leads menu option. Locate and click Join Leads Method button. Click Create Join Leads New Filter button. Load the first batch of data. Click the Choose File button. Load the first batch of analyzed file, 0 to 400. Click the rounded button next to 1 to switch to loading the second file. To load the second batch of analyzed file, click Choose File button again. Select and load the second batch of analyzed file, 400 to 800. You will see that the total number of leads available in the Download Joined Leads button has increased from 68 to 138, which means the files have been merged into one. Click the Download Joined Leads button to download the merged file. Now you have the joined file, which can be loaded in your DM campaign for messaging. You can join up to 20 files at a time, only stopping at 2 because we have 2 files to join in this tutorial. Now, you have your AI analyzed profiles as opposed to analysis by keywords. That will be the end of this tutorial. If you face any issues making this work on your end or have any questions, you can contact our support from the extension menu list. Describe what issue or questions you have. Submit your request, and our team will get in contact with solutions to your issues or questions shortly. Thank you very much.